Welcome to Dissolve. When a company is under financial stress, it is often difficult for a director to firstly understand its financial position and then to understand the available options. So, if we're going to diagnose the financial position, the first thing to do is establish whether or not the company is solvent. So what is solvency? So here is a definition for you. So solvency is when a company is able to pay all of its debts as they fall due. That might sound simple, but applying that principle in practice is not so easy. We've tried to make it easy for you, so you should try our online test, Is My Company Insolvent? You'll find it at the URL on screen, or there is a button on the right-hand side of our website. If it turns out your company is solvent and you still want to wind it up, then there are two options. The first is members' voluntary liquidation. We specialise in doing those liquidations. Or secondly, in some cases, you can go for a deregistration at ASIC. That's very easy to do, and you'll find the information on the ASIC website. If it turns out your company is insolvent, it gets harder, and you'll need expert advice. But as a guide, if the company has ceased to trade, then probably you'll need a creditor's voluntary liquidation. Similarly, if it's trading but the business is unviable, then you'll also need a creditor's voluntary liquidation. If you've got a viable trading business that is suffering short-term liquidity problems, you'll possibly need a voluntary administration. Now, if all that was hard to understand, then why not ask IRA? IRA is our online interactive restructuring advisor. If you answer 4 questions, IRA can diagnose and solve the problem for you. Again, IRA is at the URL shown on the screen, or it's on the right-hand side of our webpage. Finally, you are dealing with a difficult and specialised area of practice, so feel free to give us a call and we can give you free advice over the phone. Thank you.